Okay, Bill, these fish have been out here for longer than I wanted them to. Let me try to get them over here. They've been in the water now for about maybe, I would say about an hour. So, one of the most important things that you need to do when you're introducing fish into your pond is not pour the water into your pond. Just catch and release the fish only. And let's see if I can do this in such a way. It took Bill a month to catch it. Well, he slipped out of my hand. Got one more over here. Thank God I dropped you on some grass. See if I can show your colors without dropping you. Now this one has a blue eye. You wants to jump on the grass. Okay. This one has a green eye and a blue eye. That looks like an orange eye and a blue eye. Let's get you in the water. Throw a few pellets in there. only feed them once a day. Not that I'm cheap with the food or anything like that. Just that it's so much in here for them to munch on. It works out better if you just feed them a little bit, and if the food disappears within 5 minutes, you know they're alright. If it disappears within the first 30 seconds or 2 minutes that you toss it in there, you might have to put a little bit more in there, but I've got it down to a science, 1 handful, and that lasts probably about 5 minutes or maybe a little longer. If it disappears any faster than that, I might give them a little bit more. But there's enough water hyacinths and different treats in the pond for them to get. I don't know what all fish eat, but my water clarity stays pretty good, especially when I don't overfeed them. None of that makes it into the skimmer. Matter of fact, before it gets to the skimmer, it's got to get through all of that water hyacinths and lily pads and whatever else is over there in the water. It's been a good year for this particular setup, and all of the flowers that and bulbs that I put in each year. I like to incorporate some bonsai trees into my decor, but I haven't been able to find any at a decent price. But the koi are doing good. I'm still looking to add some yellow ones, some deep red ones, and hopefully some purple in color, purplish blue or bluish purple, but some koi with some profound purple or blue markings in them. And that'll be it for a while. There are a few koi in my pond that I'm about ready to sell because they jumped way over my 24-inch rule. You know, I don't really want to have any behemoths in here. But basically, that's it. They're still over there eating the food. I think it's been over 5 minutes. The 2 Kikokorio, one of them was a butterfly that I just released into the pond. Those will be in here for a few years before they reach any meaningful size. That one, it took Bill Rampe a whole month to catch that thing. It's got more tricks than X-Lax. Or should I say more moves than X-Lax. Scratch that junk. But that's it for the day. Here's a once over. Thanks, Bill, for holding on to that butterfly fish. As a matter of fact, I can clearly see it swimming around. Yeah, it's going to be amazing to see that one grow. Last year, this camera took a dump in the pond in the same spot, so I'm getting ready to shut it down. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.